my dear students. Today let us begin mathematics of class 7 fractions and decimal lesson, and that exercise 2.1, the last 6, 7, 8 questions. Let us solve the 6th question. Before solving the question, let us read the question very carefully. Sally wants to frame. The picture is 7 3/5 centimeter. The measurement of the picture is 7 3/5 centimeter. To fit the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3/10 is 1. How much should the picture trimmed? Means the picture says whatever the given things, let us get down first. The picture is 7 3/5 centimeter. My dear students, it is given, and to fit the frame, the picture cannot be more than that. It cannot be more than how much? The given measurement is 7 3/10 centimeter. These things. Now they are asking how much should the picture should be trimmed. Trimmed in the sense we have to cut it. Hope you understood. Every week you are going to trim your nails. The same way. So let us, before going to that, hope by this you will understand from the question. The picture is bigger. So we have to cut the picture. Before going to do that, by that you have to understand that the picture is big, the frame is small. Then if we subtract from that picture size to the frame size, you will get how much you have to trim it. Before going to subtract, let us convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, because it is not possible for us to do directly. Hope you know that already. I have told you, denominator multiplied with the whole number. The 7 5s, if you want, I will write once more. 7 5s are 35 plus 3. Whatever you are getting the product, it is very important to convert it, and the denominator will be the same. 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38. In the same way, let us convert this also. Now 10 7s are 70 plus 3, 73/10. Now we got that. Let us how much the picture trimmed. The picture must trim. How will you find out this answer? Trim is, as I told you, you have to subtract from the picture measurement. Picture minus, if you want just to understand for your sake, picture minus frame measurement. So in this way, let us do that. The picture measurement is 38/5. It is in the form of centimeter. The same way 73/10. Now we cannot subtract directly. Why? Because both the denominators are different. When denominators are same, we can do it directly. So when the denominators are different, as we know that we have to find the LCM. You no need to, if you are become perfect in this, so by observing this you will understand that 5 is the multiple of 10. So 10 LCM will be the 10. Still let us find out to understand better. 5 1s are 5 2s are. In the same way, 2 1s are, up to getting 1 we have done. Then product of 5 into 2 into 1 is equal to 10. So we have got the LCM 10. 5 how much? 10. 5 2s are, 2 has to multiply to this. 2 8s are 16. 1 is left out. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. If you cannot directly, so you have to follow this method. 10 1s are, so if any number multiplied with 1, you will get the same number. That is the multiplicative identity. Now we have got the same. Now 76 minus 73, Answer is 3 upon 10. This is the measurement. The picture has to be trimmed. So you have to write that. Thus, the picture must trim 3 upon 10 centimeter. Hope you understood how much they must trim the given picture. Now, by reading these questions, you must understand what you have to decide. You should decide by yourself. Let us switch on to the next question, that is 7th question. This is daily life. Whatever we follow in our daily life, it is based on that application question. Rita ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. So, was eaten by her brother Somu. Rita ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. See, try to understand the question. 3 upon 5 part of an apple. An apple, it is used for only one apple by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? By how much? It is to understand. First, Rita ate. Let us take down. Rita ate 3 upon 5 part. 3 upon 5 part. The apple, number of apples were only one. Number of apples, only one apple. But how much it has eaten by Somu? Somu is eaten. See, Rita ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of an apple did Somu eat? They have not mentioned how much the Somu ate. But if we subtract from 1 minus 3 upon 5, we will come to know how much the Somu ate. Somu ate an apple. So let us do this. Hope you know that if there is no denominator, it indicates 1. 1 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. I will continue horizontally. Then the LCM will be 5. 1 5s are minus 5 1s are means 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Then this much part is eaten by Somu. Now, by how much they are asking? Means we have to subtract how much Rita ate 3 upon 5, Somu ate 2 upon 5. How much? If we subtract Somu, how much he has eaten more? I mean Somu ate extra part is if we subtract 3 upon 5 by Rita minus 2 upon 5 by, then the left out is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 Somu ate extra part is, it is Somu ate 2 upon 5. Rita ate 3 upon 5. So 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 5. It is eaten by not Somu, it is Rita. Extra part is eaten by Rita ate extra part of that. How much it is extra? There is this Somu ate by how much? So I hope you understood how to do. It is more important thing is 1 apple 1. By that if you subtract, you will come to know how much the Somu ate. Then if we subtract both what they have ate. Here why I have done directly? Because the both denominators are same. So it is easy to calculate. This is the part is extra. This is the part eaten by Somu. Now let us switch on to the next question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4. Who worked longer? By what fraction it is longer? So let us first take down what are the things given. Solution. Who else it is? Vaibhav. Vaibhav Vaibhav finished. Vaibhav finished 7/12 hour. Then this is next one. Who is that the name? Michael finished the coloring the picture. Sorry, it is not Vaibhav. The first one is Michael. So when taking down, you have to be very careful. Michael. Second one is Vaibhav. Vaibhav finished. What is the time he took? 3/4 hours. Now, who worked longer? So now we have to compare it. Let us compare the fraction. Let us compare it. Now, I will go for the next step here. 7/12 and 3/4. How to compare? 3/4 can be, if we make the denominator same, it is easy to compare. Easy to compare. If I multiply by, for example, 3 4s are 12. Whatever I multiply, it should be multiplied for both numerator as well as denominator. So you will get 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now let us compare these here. 7/12, 9/12. Here whose it is? Actually 3/4 is Vaibhav. So who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer. Vaibhav worked longer. Vaibhav worked longer. You have to conclude the answer. Vaibhav worked longer. By what fraction? Now we can do that. 9/12 and 7/12. If we subtract 9/12, who is longer? Vaibhav. So let us subtract from Vaibhav. Then 7/12. How much? 9 minus 7 is 2. 12. So we can simplify it. This can be simplified. 2 ones are 1/6 hour. How much it is? So you have to conclude the answer, my dear students. At the end you write that thus the 1/6 hours. Thus 1/6 hours the time has taken. In this way you have to conclude the answers. Hope you understood how to practice the word problems. Given things, take down in a systematic way. Think over the question, what they have given, what they are asking for you. You can understand better. Thank you, my dear students.